This actually kind of feels weird. We ain't talked to you guys in a while. It's been a while since we've gone riding, but we are here. Killdozer's here. Duffy's back there. The wife, kids on the other side. We're at Yellow Creek. It's gonna be a blast. I am by no means a Wellsville seasoned veteran, but I have been here enough to know that one of the biggest complaints about Wellsville is people talking about, while you're riding, people rifling through your shit and stealing stuff. Let me tell you guys about Joe's Bottom Campground. He checks it out, watches over it all the time. We've had good luck down here. He's got a drop box if you want to throw 20 in it for a parking spot. Reasonable as hell. Like I said, he checks over everything. Nothing gets stolen out here. Really easy to get to. We'll see you back out on the trails.
Back to riding? Yeah.
So when we leave out of the parking lot at Joe's Bottom Campground, we head up through the Forbidden Zone campground to get to the trails. It'll drop you right down onto the trails, and it's the only way we know. There is a trail that runs straight up from the parking lot. It's extremely rutted out, and we don't know how to get to where we're going from there. So we always choose just to run up through the Forbidden Zone. So I wouldn't say we're necessarily lost. We are trying to meet up with Corey and Trevor at Beer Can, but we're kind of just picking trails and see where they go so we can learn the area. And I am recording on my tablet, but we definitely came across some trails we didn't want to go down and had to turn around. But we find ourselves out at Power Line, and like I say in a lot of our videos, one of the best things about riding is the views you come across. Now there's only a few really good views at Wellsville, but the Power Line is definitely one of them. How we gonna do it is how we're gonna map it out.
Yeah, because that's what Corey said too. He's like, you guys gotta let them guys fucking pick and choose to fucking learn it. And like when we get to Beer Can, from there it's not hard to get the lookout, it's not hard to get the fucking crazy ones. Go back up.
We don't know what the fuck we're doing, we're just trying to find our way.
Yes, we're just learning.
Basically just playing the fuck around and find out game.
Exactly, and hopefully,
we don't fucking find out.
Hopefully.
As long as we don't end up on our route, we're good.
Well, I mean, we stopped in a really good spot because just ahead of us.
That would have been over the hill. Yeah.
So much better.
Don't you fucking dare.
As you can tell, it's been super rainy over the last few weeks in Ohio, so all the trees and brush are pretty much overgrown. It's become quite the battle with the 360 camera, but trees and overgrowth are soon to be the least of our worries. So unfortunately, we slid right down into the rut, and there was nothing I could do about it.
I'm getting my leg cramped.
I don't know how to attack this though. I think I'm gonna back up a little bit. Try and come out around it. Yeah, back up and try to hold it in. Right like that.
For whatever reason, the 360 decided to stop recording whenever we toppled over. So thankfully, Alyssa was able to grab it off of her iPhone. Otherwise, we wouldn't have any footage of this.
She just had to say, don't do this. Yeah, don't roll us stuff. Hold on, Bob. You ready? Take your right arm out first. We're going to do these. I don't know why you're holding on to those for dear life. They're just sunglasses.
Daddy will get you, Mommy will get you, and then Duffy will get you, okay? Alright, Mommy got you? Alright, good Duffy.
Come on. Good Alyssa. Turn it to the left. Oh, yep. You got it? Where you want? Okay, she's going to do it the hard way. Alright.
That was the easy way.
Apparently those are super important sunglasses.
Oh, here's your sunglasses. Here's your sunglasses, buddy. Look at that.
Hope to pick it up with all you guys.
Daddy, your thumbs are on his side.
I was afraid of fucking slipping.
There he is. First time Killdozer's gone over.
Go ahead and stand in front of it so I can get your picture.
Let me clean my glasses so I can see where the fuck I'm going first. That puddle up there on top of the hill, we come ripping through it. Splashed the fuck out of myself.
Yeah.
She just needed to take a
That's
nap.
the valley that she was talking about.
She just needed to take a little nap.
In gear?
Hey, will you get my 360?
Yeah, that's 360 right there.
You're gonna have to get in because we're gonna hold you up.
I want my camera.
So you're driving.
You just gotta...
Oh, that's great.
Well, that's what I do.
So after climbing out of a toppled Killdozer, I thought the nightmare was over. But then I quickly realized we only had one option for somebody to drive this thing out of the hole. My wife. Who's only ever drove Killdozer one time in the woods. And that time, she aggressively backed it right into a tree. But she was our only option, and it was her time to come in clutch. So stay tuned next week to see how we got Killdozer out of this spot.
What am I doing?
We are Offroad Truckers!